So today we are going also to look at checks. A check, we can make payments in QuickBooks using checks, and we can write checks to different accounts. So for example, if you have a pending loan, if you have in the chart of accounts, for example, we have our loan which we added long-term liability 600,000. You've been told to pay this loan. To pay loans, you write checks. Okay, click on write checks. Then so you select the bank that you are writing a check from, then account. You'll just search for the account here, click on this, look for the long-term liability, just quickly long-term liability, the COP loan. You enter the amount. You can pay the whole amount, you can pay the whole amount, or you can pay half of the amount depending on what you want to pay. So I just want to pay 300,000 shillings. When you click on save and close, if you go back to check your account, if you check your account in your COP loan, the COP loan, you'll find that the liability that still stands is 300,000. So you can use write checks window to pay bills, to pay your liabilities. Remember, liabilities, you add them in the chart of accounts. You have current liabilities like electricity, like rent. You can add them in the chart of accounts, and you can pay them using the write checks window, just as I've demonstrated there. If you have written a check and you want to cancel it or delete it or void it, we have the check register window. You select the bank, so it is Equity Bank. You should look at this is a transaction that we've just made, 300,000. You can just select that transaction and click on edit on the menu, where you can delete this check. If you delete, it will not be in our records that we did this transaction. If we void, it will stay in our records, but the transaction will be reversed. So we have these options here. I want you to be able to delete check. We have void and memorize checks. So memorize, it will be kept in our records. So make sure you understand how to. So if I delete this check, the transaction will be reversed. The money will also go back into our account. If you check your long-term liability, you will find that now the long-term liability has increased back to its because you've managed to cancel or delete that transaction. So make sure you can write checks and delete checks in your QuickBooks. So thank you, hope you enjoyed this lesson.